You would like to know when your task chains have finished their run? Too busy to wait around for multiple tasks to finish running? In SAP DataSphere, you can send email notification messages to users on completion of task chain runs. In the settings of your task chain, you can choose when you would like notifications to be sent, either any time the task chain run has finished, when it has completed with an error, or when the task chain run is completed successfully. Once you choose an option, the email notification display shows a default tagline for the email subject, as well as the text to be sent in the notification email message. You can customize both the subject and message. In addition to modifying the text, you can include variables in the subject and email message body. Next, you can specify the email recipients. Keep in mind that you can only specify email addresses that are in the same domain of the task chain owner. The total number of email recipients, including direct entry of user email addresses, is limited to a maximum of 20. However, if you want to send the notification to a larger number of users, you can also specify a distribution list email address as one of the recipients. Once you've finished, you can deploy the task chain again to save your changes. You can now run the task chain, and email notifications will be sent on completion of the task chain. For more details on task chain runs, check out the documentation on the Help portal and try it for yourself. Thanks for watching!